We heard that this is where all the locals come to eat, and 100 yuan is about 14 US dollars. So let's see if we can spend that much.
The fresh fennel. Here, I'll take another bite.
That's crazy cheap. Grilled to perfection.
Glistening with oils.
Oh yeah.
A little over 3 US dollars.
And you get this whole piece of pork belly for that. That's crazy. So we're not even halfway done with our challenge today. Let's get on.
It's been steamed so the nut is really soft and rich tasting here.
Look how much food it is.
The oil's on the outside of the chicken there.
Wow, that crunch. Spice is so good. Look, they're so pretty.
Still quite sweet and very soft. And probably already too much food.
Look at all of this food.
So we're gonna call it there and actually sit down to finish eating.
Everything tasted so good. I want to savor all of it.
Especially while it's still hot.